How wigs were made. In ancient times, wigs were often made from natural materials such as human hair, animal hair, wool, or plant fibers. The process of making wigs involved collecting the chosen material, cleaning and preparing it, and then weaving or sewing it into a cap or base. Wigs were styled using natural methods such as braiding, twisting, or curling with heated rods or irons. Key wig-making tools that greatly impacted and enhanced the design of wigs. Combs and pins. These simple tools were essential for detangling and securing natural materials such as human hair, animal hair, or plant fibers in ancient wigs. They allowed wig makers to create basic styles and structures for wigs. Overview of how hair was added to wigs. In ancient times, hair was added to wigs through a process of weaving or sewing natural materials such as human hair, animal hair, wool, or plant fibers onto a cap or base made of fabric, leather, or other materials. Wig makers would carefully attach the hair strands to the base using needles, threads, or other binding materials, creating a dense and cohesive wig structure. Overview of how someone could become a master wig maker. The craft of wig making was often passed down through generations within families or specialized communities. To become a master wig maker, an individual would typically start as an apprentice to an experienced wig maker, learning the techniques and skills involved in creating wigs using natural materials. The apprentice would assist in collecting, cleaning, and preparing materials, as well as in weaving or sewing hair onto wig bases. Through years of practice and hands-on training, the apprentice would gradually develop their expertise and eventually become a master wig maker capable of creating intricate and elaborate wig designs. Prominent wig makers and their contributions to the craft. Wig making was often a communal or familial activity rather than attributed to individual wig makers. Different cultures and civilizations had their own traditions and techniques for creating wigs using natural materials available to them.